Meet Anuradha Rao, the guardian of Ross Island's wildlife. As a local resident of Andaman Islands, she dedicates her days to caring for the freely roaming deer and other animals that inhabit this island. With a gentle touch and a profound understanding of the ecosystem, Anuradha ensures the delicate balance between nature and humans. Beyond her caretaking duties, she educates visitors on the importance of coexistence, making Ross Island a haven where history and ecology harmoniously thrive under her watchful eye. Anuradha Rao's commitment serves as a beacon for conservation, preserving the island's beauty for